Good morning, all. Am I audible and the screen is visible or not? Just let me know into the chat box quickly. Okay, fine. Okay, so today also we are going to continue with what? The higher order partial derivatives example. Fine. So the first example is what? This one, and this is the important one for you. So u equal to log x cube plus y cube plus z cube minus 3xyz, right? If that is u is given to you, then you need to prove what? This will be del by del x plus del by del y plus del by del z whole square, fine, into u equal to minus 9 upon x plus y plus z the whole square. So obviously when this type of thing is given to you, first we'll start with the what? This, right? So see, here it will be what? Square of that thing, fine. So we'll try to rearrange those things, fine. So we'll write what? The del by del, just log in within time, del by del x plus del by del y plus del by del z the whole square, right? Equal to what? I'll rewrite it as a what? Del by del x plus into u, fine. Del by del y plus del by del z. Now this can be square. So I'll write 2 times it and will multiply that with the u. So what can I write here? Del u by del x plus del u by del y plus del u by del z. So in this way I have written the equation. Now this is my right side, right? So what I'll do, first I'll find out the value of this thing. First, I'll find out the value of this. That is what? Del u by del x. So what is my u? So the u is what? A log x, right? Log x cube plus y cube plus z cube minus 3xyz. This is the important question, right? So just write down the question in your notebook and try to solve yourself after the lecture also, fine. So this is what? This my u. So what we are going to supposed to do now? Will differentiate u partially with respect to what? With respect to x. So obviously we'll get what? Del u by del x. Fine. Del u by del x equal to, okay. Can anyone student? Yeah, Trupti. Yes, Trupti. Del u by del x. Yeah. This is log,
Yes.
right? Yeah.
1 upon
Fine. 1 upon the whole, right? X
bracket
cube, yeah, x cube plus y cube plus z square minus 3xyz. Now what should I need to write?
into
Yes.
3x square
Okay, I'll write here only, right? 3x square, fine,
minus
minus,
3yz.
okay, okay. Good, right? 3yz. How? Okay, you can mute yourself, right? So what happened here? These two are a constant and here x is there. So you need to consider the last term. So that's why minus 3yz, right? So this is my what? Del u by del x. Now, same way. See, no need to do the differentiation or write anything. Same way, we can go with what? Del u by del y. 2 number Vrushti, unmute yourself. And what is the answer for that? Number 2. Yeah,
Yes, ma'am. Here also it will be in the same way as du
yeah,
upon dx.
yeah. Just
Uh,
tell me the answer because something
1
is
upon
supposed to be different. Yeah, 1
x cube plus y cube plus z cube
okay, minus
minus
3x.
3xy
Fine.
z.
Okay, fine.
In the numerator 3y square
Okay, 3y square, fine. Yes,
minus 3xz.
xz. Okay, okay. Right, so this is that y is supposed to be there, so coefficient is that 3xz. Fine. Same way we can write what, del u by del z. So that is obviously with what, x cube plus y cube plus z cube minus 3xyz. Fine. Now this is z, so from that what we can write here, obviously 3z square minus 3xy. Okay, is it clear to y'all? Fine. Now what we have assumed here, this you can see, this del x, del u by del x plus del y, suppose consider it as a v, right? For example. So now what I can write, a v equal to del u by del x plus del u by del y. What is the answer of this? Just calculate quickly. Just addition of this, right? This is suppose my first equation, this is second, and this is third. So just add 1, 2, 3 and tell me the answer. Other can write down into the chat box. Okay, some answers are coming. That is, okay, 3x square plus, okay, minus 3yz upon x. Okay, we need to simplify it, right? We need to simplify it in terms of what will get our answer. So what we supposed to write here, this is common, right? X square plus x cube plus y cube. So I'll write directly that x cube plus y cube plus z cube minus 3xyz. This is common. Fine. Now the other thing is what? 3x square. See here, I'll underline 3x square, 3y square and 3z square. So what I'll do, I'll take a common 3. Fine. And x square plus y square plus z square. Okay. Minus 3xy, 3xz and 3xy. So from that also I can take 3 as a common one. So I'll write what? xy plus yz plus zx. Clear? I have just solved that equation and rewrite it. Yes, the answer is correct. Whoever written in the chat box. Fine. Okay. Now, see, I can't do the simplification of this, right? So whatever the equation is there, okay? So I need to convert it into such a way that I'll get some simplification. So what I'll do, I will just multiply it both sides with what? X plus y plus z and x plus y plus z. Okay? So what can be in the numerator? Anyone? What can I will write instead of this thing? See, still you can write this in a common way. That is what? Just 3 also you can take a common one. Fine. 3. Yes. Anyone? Anyone can? What happened? This thing are supposed to be multiplied. Just multiply this with this, right? This x plus y plus z, it is supposed to be multiplied with this also and with this also. So what is the simplification of this? Okay, just take the few seconds, count it and just let me know. Okay, I'll unmute anyone. Do the simplification of that x plus y plus z, multiply it with both the one. Fine. You can raise your hand if you know the answer or if you have calculated it, right? 38 number. 38. Unmute yourself. 38. 38 number. See, if you are not going to answer, I'll remove you from the meeting, right? 38. If you even don't know the answer, but unmute yourself. 38. Otherwise, you will be considered as absent. 38 number. Final reminder, right? Okay. Number 5. 5 is there. Just let me check. 5. Yeah, Jainil. 5. Unmute yourself.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, what is the answer of this?
I am calculating.
Okay, you are calculating. Fine. Any other who know the answer, just raise your hand quickly. Yeah, Yash Patel, 7 number. Sorry, yeah.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, yeah, 7 number. What is the
X
answer
cube plus
for
y
this?
cube plus z cube minus 3xyz
Okay, x cube plus y
plus
cube.
y cube
Okay.
plus
And
z
you,
cube
okay.
minus 3xyz.
Yes, because when you are going to do the multiplication of this thing, na, you will get this, right? Now upon, there will be the thing. Okay, you can mute yourself. X cube plus y cube plus z cube. It is already there, minus 3xyz. And no need to multiply here because we are getting it. This is supposed to be cancelled out, right? So what we are having, we will be having 3 upon, that's it, that is my v, okay, 3 upon x cube plus y cube plus z cube, sorry, this is only xyz, right? This is what? This is supposed to be cancelled out, and this is supposed to be cancelled out. We'll be having only x plus y plus z. Fine. Any doubt in this? Anyone is having, yeah, 3 upon x plus y plus z. Now this is my v. See, from the equation, I'll write this as a capital 1. Fine. So what happened into that? This is v. So this v is supposed to be multiplied with that. So that is what? Del by del x of this. Del by del x of this. Okay, I'll write down it in the another slide. Del by del x plus del by del y plus del by del z, the whole square into u. That is what? Del by del x plus del by del y plus del by del z into, here it's v. Fine. So what is the meaning of that? Del by del x plus del by del y plus del by del z. Now what is our v? So our v is what? 3 upon x plus y plus z. So here we can write 3 upon x plus y plus z. Now what happened? We'll write what? Differentiation of d by dx of 3 upon x plus y plus z, fine, plus del upon del y of 3 upon x plus y plus z plus del by del z 3 upon x plus y plus z. Now I want the answer from your side. What is del by del x of 3 upon x plus y plus z? Other can write down into the u by v rule. Here it's a constant. 3 is a constant. Yesterday, I think in previous lecture also that same mistake you have done, right? 3 is a constant, right? So no need to go for that rule. Fine. It is considered, yes, Akhilesh. What it will be considered? Yeah, Akhilesh.
It will be considered like
Yes.
when we differentiate 1 by x, we write minus 1
Yeah,
upon x.
yeah. That is what
That
x raised to minus 1. We'll consider it as a what? X raised to minus 1. So here also
yes.
you can, yeah, here also you can consider it was just a minute. Yeah, Akhilesh, x plus y plus z raised to minus 1. So do the differentiation of this, right? That 3 will be a constant one. So we want like this. Now what is the differentiation of this? Minus 1 is here and again minus 1, right? So it will be what? I'll write down here only because in last lecture also I think you will be having the problem for that one. 3 into, see this minus is here, so it is minus 3 obviously. X plus y plus z minus 2. So it is minus 2, so I can write down in denominator, right? So what I'll write? Minus 3 upon x plus y plus z the whole square. Now again chain rule. So x plus y plus z. So we are differentiating it with respect to x and partially. So obviously for this the answer would be 1. For this 0 and 0. So it is 1, right? So my final answer of this is what? Minus 3 upon x plus y plus z square. What about this? The second one? Anyone? Yeah, same as 1. Fine. Yeah, Trupti.
Hello, ma'am.
Yeah, you are audible.
Minus 3,
Fine. I'll write down
minus
here.
3
Minus 3 upon
in bracket x
hmm,
plus y plus z
hmm.
whole square
Okay, in denominator, right?
plus
Yeah. Okay, plus
in bracket minus
minus
3 upon
3 upon x
x plus y plus z whole
Okay, and what should be the final answer?
minus 9
Okay, all are going to be added. X plus y plus
upon
z. Yes, square. Fine. Okay.
okay.
Okay, fine. You can mute yourself. So see, this is my answer for what? For del by del x plus del by del y plus del by del z of whole square into u. So just we'll check what we want to prove. So this is we want to prove, right? This is left side and this is my right is what? Minus 9 upon x plus y plus z square. So obviously we are getting this, fine. Okay. Any doubt? Anyone? Okay, so we'll move to the another example. Suppose I will be having x equal to r cos theta, right? New example. And y will be having r sin theta. So prove that del r by del x square plus obviously del r by del y square equal to 1. So in which way we can go? Anyone? Here what? We want to do the differentiation. Here you can see del r by del x whole square. Del r by del x whole square. That means we want to differentiate what? R. But here we are having x and y. So we want to convert this equation in terms of what? R. So how we can do that? Here r cos theta and r sin theta. So make r as a, okay. So how to make it? R equal to x by cos theta. Okay, you can go in that way also. But when you are doing differentiation at that time, you will face a difficulty because you need to apply a division rule, right? So simple is what? See, if I'll do what? X square plus y square. If I'll do what? X square plus y square. So what is supposed to be there? X square plus y square. X square plus y square. What should be there? Anyone? R square cos square theta. Right? R square cos square theta. I'll write down R square sin square theta. So obviously if r square is common, so this is the thing, right? So this is my equation in terms of r. Fine. Now differentiate equation 1 partially with respect to x. Okay. So I'll write down in terms of here r square equal to x square plus y square. So this is how we are going to do 2r, right? And del r by del x equal to, this is what? X square. So 2x, this is constant, so nothing is supposed to be there. So what I'll get? I'll get del r by del x as a what? X by r. 2 will be cancelled out. Any doubt into this? Differentiate equation 1 partially with respect to y. So what is the answer now? You can tell me. What is the answer? Okay, with respect to x, it is x by r. Fine. Yeah. Answer. "38 number again. 38 number. Unmute yourself quickly. 38. Number. Okay. Answer you are writing in a chat box, that I am checking. That is okay. It's a correct one, right? 38 number. If you can't unmute or if you are having some problem, then you can write down into the chat box immediately, right? Just let me know the status of yours into the chat box. Because I think just you have joined, right? You are not there in a lecture. 27 number. Parva. 27, unmute yourself.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, what is the answer for this? I want the final answer, del r by del y from equation 1.
Del R by del X.
Huh? Final answer, sorry. Just this we have do what? Partially differentiation with respect to x. So we got what? X by r. Now if we'll do with respect to y, so what is the answer that I am asking?
Y by R.
Okay, fine. Y by r. Okay, you can mute yourself. Y by r. Okay. Fine. Now what is the next procedure? What we are supposed to do here? Now just go to the result, right? What is that? This, right? Del r by del x square. So we'll start with the LHS. This is the simple one. Del r by del x square plus del r by del y square equal to. So this is what? This x by r square. So x square plus upon r square plus y square upon r square. So it is nothing but what? X square plus y square upon r square. Fine. Now see the equation 1. I'll write down in a bracket equation 1. Fine. You can write down r square upon r square. So you will be getting what? 1, and that is your RHS. Fine. Any doubt? Sorry. Any doubt? Adding both the term x square plus y square equal. Yeah, that is the fine, right? Okay, fine. Okay. So this is the thing. Now next example is, okay, is there any doubt up to this? Is there any doubt, or we can move forward? Okay. Okay, fine. We'll move to the next example. That is, if you are having your u equal to phi of x plus ky. This is in terms of function, right? Plus chi of x minus ky. Then prove that del square u by del y square equal to k square del square u by del x square. Okay, so I'll be having this as a my u. We want to prove this. So you can see in both sides there is a second order derivative, right? So how we are going to do? Just first we are doing what? Differentiate u partially with respect to x. Fine. So what is I'll get du by dx, sorry, del u by del x, this. This is what? This is kind of thing like u equal to fx. So if we are going to do this, so just del u by del x is what? F dash x into del x by del x. So obviously this is 1, right? But this is the procedure you have to follow. So how it is supposed to be done? Del u by del x equal to phi, right? So this is nothing but what? Phi dash x plus ky. I'll write down the first order. Second order you will do yourself. That means one student is supposed to be answered. Okay, here del of this with respect to x, that is phi dash. Now here x plus ky, and we are doing with respect to x. So this x, for this it is 1. So no need to write 1 here, right? Plus this is chi, so chi dash x minus ky. So for this also only 1. Fine. So this is my answer for del u by del x. Now again do the del u by del x, differentiate it partially with respect to x. So it is del square u by del x square. Now what should be here? You have to consider now this term. So any one student, this is phi dash x plus ky plus chi dash x minus ky. You have to do differentiation with respect to this. So what we are going to do, instead of here it is what dash. Now again if you are going to do a second order, del square u by del x square. So it is f double dash x. Fine. It is what? F double dash x. So same way phi double dash x plus ky into 1, right? Plus phi double dash into x minus ky. Okay. So this is my what? The answer of this del square u. Now same way we can calculate what? I am not writing that differentiate u partially with respect to x. I'll directly write what? Del u by del y. So consider this u. Fine. So obviously it is phi dash x plus ky. Now chain rule with respect to y. So what is supposed to be there? Can anyone tell me here? Here 1 is there or any other answer? We are doing with respect to y, right? Just raise your hand. Okay, yeah, Akhilesh.
It will be k.
Okay, into k. Yeah.
Yes, ma'am.
Because it is, okay, you can mute yourself. It is with what? X plus ky. So it is a k plus chi dash x minus ky. So with that minus ky, right? So it is what? Minus k. Fine. It is minus k. So we can write down here phi dash x plus ky into k minus k into x minus ky. So this is my del u by del y. Now del square u again with respect to what? Y, second time, right? Because we want this. So I'll write what? Y square. So it is phi dash, phi double dash, sorry, x plus ky. Now k is already there, and from the second order higher derivative, it is we are getting what? K again. So it is k square. Now from this, okay, minus, I'll write down first what? Here it's a chi dash, here chi double dash, x minus ky, fine, into minus k again. So that is what? K square. K into k, k square, and this will become my plus. So it is what? K square. Now take a k square common. So I'll be having what? Phi double dash x plus ky plus chi double dash x minus ky. So this is k square. Now what is this? Just check the value of del square u by del x square. Right? Okay, I'll write down 1 here. So from first equation, right? You can write what here? Del square u upon del x square. So this is our answer. LHS is this one, and we'll get what? Our RHS. Fine. So k square del square u by del x square. Fine. Okay. Is there any doubt? Okay, I'll check into the chat box. Okay, k minus k. Okay, you are writing answer. Fine. So this is what? In this way you can find out this. Okay. Now next one more example is that is this is what? If z equal to x square tan inverse y by x minus y square tan inverse x by y. And just note down this example with me. This is very lengthy example. Suppose we are not going to complete this, you have to compulsory solve it. In next lecture, I'll ask anyone. Okay. So just note down this one. So what we want to prove is del square z upon del x into del y equal to del square z upon del y into del x equal to x square minus y square upon x square plus y square. See, this is my z. Instead of u, here z is there. Now what is here? You can see what we want into the proof, del square z by del x into del y. And here what? Del y into del x equal to some answer. So what we are going to do, first we'll do the simplification of this, then we'll do simplification of this. If both are equal, then we can prove this, right? So this is what? Del x into del y and del y into del x. So what I told, for normally we are moving from what? Right to left. So either you will find this first or this first, okay? So we will start with this one. This is my first and second. So what? First I'll do the partial differentiation with respect to x, y and then x. So differentiate z partially with respect to y. Okay. So what is the answer? Del z by del y equal to, see, now y. So here what? This term is having x and this term is having y. Okay. So here the multiplication is rule not applied. So x square as it is. What is the differentiation of tan square? Y by x, right? So this is what? 1 upon 1 plus a square, like this, right? Tan square a equal to 1 upon. So here 1 upon y square upon x square. Now here y by x, chain rule, y by x. So we are doing with respect to what? X. So this is considered as a constant. Fine. So what is the answer for this? Sorry, y by x. it is, we are doing with respect to y, not x, right? So it will be what? 1 by x. Okay. Minus. Here you can see there is a y square and tan inverse x by y. Yeah, 1 by x, correct. Tan inverse x by y. So here both place is having y. So here it will be considered as a two different function. One is u and one is v, right? So u into v. So first term as it is, I have considered this y square as a first term, 1 upon 1 plus x square plus y square into. Now this is x by y. What is the differentiation of x by y now? Because we are doing with respect to what? Y, and it is in denominator. So what should be? Log y? No. Yeah, minus x upon y square. Now how it will be there? Can anyone explain? Who have written that answer? Minus x upon y square. Yeah, 13 number. Yes, Isha. Yeah, Isha.
Ma'am, x upon minus x upon y square.
How it's come? Which rule you have applied?
Y raised to
Y raised,
minus 1.
yes, y raised to minus 1. So minus will be there and it is y raised to minus 2. So minus x upon y square. This is at this step, most of you will do the mistake. You will write log y. Okay, but answer is what? Minus x by. Okay, you can mute yourself, Isha. Fine. So in that way you have to consider. Okay. Now another term. So here it's a minus. So I'll write minus tan inverse x by y as it is, tan inverse x by y as it is, and y square. So it is simple 2y. Okay. Now just we are doing simplification of this term. So this x square will take a common one. So here it's x square plus y square. I'll write denominator first, x square plus y square. Now here it will be what? X4 and 1x cancel out. So it is x cube. Okay, is there any doubt in this? First term minus. This is also same like I'll write what? X square plus y square. This is y cube because 1y is, just a minute, y 4 and y square. So it will be y square, sorry, y square. And x is as it is and minus minus plus. Okay, all the thing I have done in this step. Now minus 2y tan inverse x by y. See again, if this sum is not supposed to be complete within this lecture, right? You have to solve yourself, compulsory, right? Maybe meeting will be end in 1 minute, fine? So this is my what? Del z by del y. Okay, now what we'll do? We'll do differentiate again, differentiate del z by del y with respect to x. Okay, so it is del by del x into del z by del y with respect to x. So this is simple one. How we are going to do this? See here also some common thing can be possible still, huh? X can be a common one. So you will get x square plus y square. Okay, so this will be written as a x minus 2y tan inverse x by y. So consider this. Consider this. Okay, and do the differentiation of this. So x differentiation is 1 minus